Smart roofing with prefabricated steel framing system. It's lightweight, termite-proof, and weather-resistant. Installation is faster and more efficient, cutting down labor time and cost. Plus, it's fully recyclable, making it an eco-friendly choice.
A construction project that uses steel framing system requires a proper planning between engineers, designers, architects, and draftsmen. Typically, a draftsman is responsible for CAD drawing for a steel roof truss system, and he focuses on every detail. Elements such as top chord, bottom chord, and steel web members. Engineer will review the drawing and ensure the design meets structural standards. To ensure high quality of construction material, steel framing components are manufactured in prefabrication factory. Prefabrication factory, or also called as off-site production, allows for 24 hours production. With systematic production flow, ensures accuracy and quality. Every steel framing component is precisely cut, shaped according to steel web elements. This allows for quick assembly with minimal waste on site. Once completed, the steel components will be delivered to the construction site and ready for installation.
From residential homes to commercial buildings and educational institutions, this system is now being used widely across the world. It adapts to different roof designs while maintaining structural integrity. It offers a fast, efficient, and durable solution for various types of structures. With modern technology and a skilled professional team, every installation is carried out with precision and high efficiency right at the construction site. The future of roofing is here, smarter, faster, and built to last. So the question is, are you ready to leave the old ways behind and start to upgrade to prefabricated steel framing? For your future modern house, let's start from now.